If you like orange chicken, you are going to love this recipe. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making an easy, oven-baked orange chicken with a bold, robust, spicy flavor, and it is finger-licking good. Stay tuned. So many people love Panda Express's orange chicken, and I'm no exception. The flavor of chicken and orange seemed like a match made in heaven. I thought I would take my oven barbecue chicken recipe and make an orange chicken version. If you would like to see my oven barbecue chicken recipe, I will leave a link here and also in the Show More section below. Also, you will be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section. If you have a chance, take a peek. So let's get started. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a family pack of chicken thighs that I cleaned and trimmed. Just like my oven barbecue chicken, I am using a convenient aluminum pan. Or if you're using a broiler pan, you can skip the step of draining the chicken juices. I'm coating each side of the chicken with some adobo seasoning, but you can use the seasonings that you like. I have the chicken placed so the skin side is up. This is going in the oven for 30 minutes, and then I will show you the next step. Meanwhile, I'm going to make the delicious orange sauce. I'm using this brand of orange marmalade, but you can use the brand that you like. In a saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding the orange marmalade, the zest of an orange, and I'm using a navel orange, a little orange juice, garlic powder, onion powder, a little salt, honey for the sweetness, and some sriracha sauce for spiciness. You can add the amount of spiciness that you like, but I'm adding about a tablespoon of sriracha sauce. The orange flavor, sweetness, and spiciness is a great combination, giving everything a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, and cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm removing from the heat and letting it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. The glaze will slightly thicken as it cools. It's been 30 minutes. You can see the chicken has produced a lot of juices. I'm flipping the chicken over and baking for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm removing the chicken from the pan, draining all the juices, placing the chicken skin side down, and basting with that delicious orange glaze and baking for another 10 minutes. Trust me, these steps are all worth it. Another 10 minutes has passed. I'm going to drain the little bit of liquid on the bottom, flip the chicken over to skin side up, and give the chicken a good basting with the orange glaze. And don't skimp, baking the chicken for another 10 minutes. And this is the last time for basting, giving the chicken one more good coating and back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Unlike my oven-baked barbecue chicken, I will not be increasing the oven temperature, nor will I be placing the chicken under the broiler. With the orange marmalade and honey, there is a high sugar content, and the chicken will burn if I increase the temperature. The chicken is done and it smells so good. It's been a long day and I am starving. The orange flavor is intense. The oven-baked orange chicken is tender, spicy, and sticky good. Serving tonight with some scalloped potatoes and a side of steamed broccoli. A side of cranberry sauce would be awesome with this meal. If you want to try something different and good, this oven-baked orange chicken may be for you. My family loved it. I hope you give this easy and delicious oven-baked orange chicken a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.